The Tesla Model 2, the long-rumored affordable electric car that many doubted would ever arrive, is finally real. And now, with a confirmed base price of just $15,990. Elon Musk has managed to send shockwaves through both the EV market and Wall Street. This isn't just another vehicle. It's a declaration that Tesla intends to make electric mobility truly accessible to everyone. As we move deeper into 2025, something remarkable has been happening. More and more Model 2 units have started appearing on the roads, even before the official debut, which is expected in just a few weeks. It's almost like Tesla doesn't even need to advertise anymore. The sightings alone are doing the job. Real-world footage has surfaced from Texas, Fremont, and Mexico, showing the car testing quietly among regular traffic. These are not heavily camouflaged prototypes either. They are production-ready units, or at least very close to it, and they reveal more than just the outline of Tesla's next big move. Observers and analysts are calling this the most significant development since the launch of the original Model 3. But here's what makes this story even more exciting. Tesla didn't just take the Model Y and shrink it down. Instead, they redesigned nearly everything from the ground up to make sure it could hit that astonishing $15,990 price tag without compromising Tesla's reputation for innovation, safety, and technology. For a long time, the public believed the Model 2 would simply be a smaller Model Y, maybe with a few features removed to make it cheaper. Elon Musk himself once hinted at that idea. But now, the truth is becoming clear. The Model 2 isn't just a scaled-down SUV. It's a symbol of Tesla's evolution into a truly global automaker that can mass-produce affordable electric cars faster than anyone thought possible, and the proof is in the details. Over the past few months, more than 26 differences between the Model 2 and Model Y have been identified. Each one plays a part in reducing costs, simplifying manufacturing, and improving energy efficiency. But more importantly, they show just how far Tesla has gone to rethink what a budget EV can be. One of the biggest questions fans have been asking is how Tesla managed to cut the price nearly in half compared to the Model 3 without losing quality. After all, most automakers struggle to bring an EV below $30,000, let alone one that offers Tesla-level performance and range. Yet somehow, Tesla has made it happen. The secret lies not in any one part, but in a combination of radical design, materials, innovation, and production efficiency. When you look closely at the new Model 2, you'll notice subtle but clever design differences. The front fascia has been simplified dramatically. The headlights are slimmer and integrated into a smoother, more aerodynamic nose that reduces manufacturing complexity and cost. The door handles are no longer flush like in the Model Y. They're lighter, simpler, and easier to produce, yet still elegant. The wheels and suspension have been re-engineered to save both weight and cost. But without sacrificing ride comfort, Tesla has also made major changes to the vehicle's structure. The front and rear Gigafactory's massive single-piece aluminum components now combined with a structural battery pack, cutting hundreds of parts from the assembly process. This approach, first used in the Model Y, has been refined even further for the Model 2, allowing production times per vehicle to drop dramatically. That's one of the main reasons Tesla can afford to sell this car at such a low price. Every minute saved in the factory translates directly into lower costs, and those savings are substantial. Reports suggest that with Tesla's next-generation 4,680 Gen 2 battery cells, the Model 2 could achieve a range of over 250 miles on a single charge, while costing significantly less to build than current lithium-ion systems. The battery pack itself doubles as part of the car's frame, enhancing rigidity while saving weight. Even inside, Tesla has taken a minimalist but clever approach. The cabin is stripped of unnecessary components, yet it doesn't feel cheap. The massive central screen remains, controlling almost everything from climate control to navigation, while the dashboard has been reimagined with recycled materials that still look premium. Instead of leather, Tesla uses durable synthetic fabrics that are both eco-friendly and affordable. But what's most interesting is how these cost-cutting measures have sparked mixed reactions across the community. Some longtime fans worry that the Model 2's simplicity might dilute the luxury feel Tesla has become known for. Others, however, are thrilled by the idea of a truly democratic EV, one that millions of people can actually afford. It's a polarizing moment for the company, and Elon Musk seems perfectly fine with that. In his view, innovation always comes with controversy, and it's not just fans who are taking notice. The massive pre-order interest in the Model 2 has caught even Tesla by surprise. Reports suggest that tens of thousands of reservations have been made in just a few days following the first confirmed price leak. People across Europe, Asia, and North America are rushing to secure their spot in line, some even comparing this launch to the Model 3's legendary reservation frenzy back in 2016. But this time, the context is very different. Tesla's production network is far larger and more advanced than it was a decade ago. Gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and Mexico are all prepared to ramp up Model to production simultaneously. This means that, for the first time, Tesla may be able to meet global demand without years-long delays. Now, as for what makes the Model to stand out visually, the leaked footage offers plenty of clues. The roofline is sleeker, the rear window more aggressively angled, and the taillights have been completely redesigned into a unified LED bar that stretches across the back. Even the wheels have a futuristic new pattern optimized for airflow. It's smaller than the Model Y, but larger than a typical hatchback, offering a surprising amount of interior space thanks to Tesla's clever packaging and structural battery design. The floor is flat, the seats are compact yet supportive, and the panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel far larger than it actually is in terms of performance. Insiders claim that the Model 2 will launch in at least two configurations: a single-motor rear-wheel drive version for maximum affordability and a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant that can reportedly accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. That's faster than most gas-powered sports cars in its class, and it'll do it while costing less than $16,000. Charging has also been simplified. The Model 2 is fully compatible with Tesla's global supercharger V4 network. But thanks to its smaller, more efficient battery pack, home charging will be even more practical. A single overnight charge using a standard outlet can provide enough range for most daily commutes, eliminating the need for expensive wall units or public chargers for many buyers. Tesla has also integrated the plug-in charge system across all trims. This means no apps, no credit cards, just plug in and charge automatically, with billing handled through your Tesla account. For first-time EV owners, this ease of use could make the transition from gas to electric almost effortless. Inside, Tesla's latest software experience takes center stage. The Model 2 will run the company's Grok-powered neural interface, an AI assistant capable of learning user habits, optimizing routes, and even suggesting energy-efficient driving techniques. The car's computer is powered by the QNP1 neural processor, which also supports offline voice recognition and advanced driver assistance functions. Safety remains a cornerstone of the design. Tesla has built the Model 2's frame to exceed global crash standards, using ultra-high-strength steel and aluminum in key zones. The battery structure itself acts as a protective barrier in collisions, and the center of gravity is so low that rollover risk is almost zero. So why all this secrecy until now? Tesla's approach is very deliberate. The company has long understood the power of mystery. By testing vehicles in plain sight, yet keeping official information limited, creates a feedback loop of speculation, excitement, and viral attention. Each leak, whether intentional or not, becomes part of the marketing strategy. And as expected, it's working again. Online forums, social media groups, and EV channels are buzzing with analysis. Every new image is dissected, every design change debated. People are comparing the Model 2's silhouette to everything from compact crossovers to city hatchbacks. It's trying to guess what markets Tesla plans to dominate first, and make no mistake, this car will dominate. A $15,990 Tesla is not just another product. It's a disruption waiting to happen. Competitors like BYD, Toyota, and Volkswagen are now under immense pressure. They may have affordable EVs in development, but none with the same brand appeal, software integration, or a charging ecosystem that Tesla commands. The Model 2's arrival also signals a shift in Tesla's global mission. For years, Musk has talked about accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. But up until now, many argued that Tesla cars were still too expensive for average consumers. That argument ends here. The Model 2 bridges that gap, making clean transportation a realistic choice for millions who previously couldn't afford it. And if we look at Tesla's broader ecosystem with solar roofs, power walls, and the expanding supercharger network, the Model 2 becomes more than just a car. It's the final piece in Tesla's clean energy puzzle. A car that can charge from your own solar panels, drive hundreds of miles on renewable energy, and feed excess power back into your home.